How to connect Shopify with Amazon. Quick and easy tutorial for beginners. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you different ways for you to be able to connect our Shopify store together with Amazon over here. Now, I will be showing you two main reasons why people connect Amazon and Shopify together. The first method, let's say you want to sell your products that you have in Shopify in Amazon, and you want to be able to sync the listing. You want to be able to sync your inventory and all of those relevant information. You want to set up your store in Amazon and have your store in Shopify as well and have them collaborate with one another. Either you have products imported or exported from Amazon, or you could also have products imported and exported from Shopify into your Amazon store. So in that case, we will be able to easily do it through our apps over here in Shopify. In Shopify, we have the option to install all kinds of apps by simply selecting the apps option over here on the left side and clicking on all recommended apps. In this pop-up, you would have to scroll down and click on Shopify App Store. Now, the Shopify App Store contains all kinds of apps that you could use and utilize to improve your experience with Shopify. It has applications that would add additional features with how you handle your store, or it could even have some applications that would allow you to connect platforms together, such as Amazon and Shopify. So, if you click here, search in your search bar Amazon, and it will show you all related applications in relation to Amazon. So as you can see here, we have Lit Commercial or Lit Commerce, Amazon eBay Etsy, Amazon Importer over here, Reputon, said Amazon or said Commerce Amazon, and Amazon Integration Plus over here. So there are multiple applications that are mentioning Amazon. As you can see, there's 480 results. And you could choose between any of these importers over here to be able to import your products or have a connection or to be able to connect your Amazon store with your Shopify. For example, this one over here, it will allow you to import. As you can see, we can zoom into the features over here. It will allow you to import Amazon products in one click. You will be able to do bulk import, and then you have the Amazon affiliate button as well. You will be able to do some inventory tracking and price syncing, and you could also import products by seller, as you can see, which is really cool. And they have a free plan over here, as you can see. You could check out other applications if you prefer. That's an option. You don't really need to stick to one application if you don't like the application that I just showed you. You can even check out this one over here, which will allow you to, as you can see, sync your store with your Amazon account, have some multi-account, multi-country, stuff like that, and so on and so forth. And installing such application is very simple. You're just basically going to install it, and then you're basically going to log into your Amazon store account. And you will then be able to utilize the apps and its feature directly inside of Shopify. And like one of the apps mentioned, we will be able to sync, do some importations, stuff like that. Now, another way that you could connect Amazon without needing to install an Amazon importer over here or actually needing to have an Amazon store, because sometimes the limitation with the first method that I explained is that you would need to have an active Amazon store. What if you don't have an Amazon store, such as me? I don't have an Amazon store, therefore I didn't proceed more on in the first method that I showed you earlier. You could utilize third-party platforms such as AutoDS over here. Now, there would be no store-to-store connection between your Shopify and Amazon, but you will still be able to get products from Amazon through our trusty AutoDS over here. Now, AutoDS is a really great platform that I would really recommend, that is very good or very recommended to invest in, especially if you're gaining sales. It's a very useful tool and a very easy tool to utilize. And over here, let's do a quick tour over here. It's basically a dropshipping platform, and I currently have my Shopify store connected to it. meaning I could import all kinds of products from this platform, as you can see here in this list over here. Now, this product list over here has been populated by multiple sources. So there's Amazon, there's all kinds of platforms that it is getting the products from. So one of these products could be from Amazon, but that's a bit vague. That's a very bad to assume or very hard to assume which one is an Amazon. So to be able to ensure that we're actually getting products from Amazon, because that's the goal of our video, simply click on add products over here and you will be able to see two options that are very important. So all of these are important, but the one I would like to focus on is this two over here. So simply click on single product over here. And as you can see, it's just basically going to ask us to enter a URL or a product ID. And if you check over here in the supplier source, you can see Amazon is one of those options that it is actually able to get products from. So what we're going to do is we're going to Amazon once again, and let's actually look for a product that we would like to get and put into our Shopify store. So for example, let's go with something fun, maybe something like this. Let's open this product over here and let's check out the information. So this is our product over here. It's a toy, some sort of a toy. And what we're going to do as instructed was to copy and paste it, the URL. Go to our AutoDS, paste it. Let me do it again. Paste it over here. And as you can see, you could even notice that the supplier source and warehouse has been updated. So it was able to recognize that it was from Amazon and it is coming from the United States. And then you can simply click on publish to store. And then you can see here that it is currently publishing, as you can see. And you're just then going to wait for it to fully finish the progress, because what it is doing is it's going to the website itself, scraping all the information that it's seeing here and getting it to be imported into your Shopify store. So simply wait for this. It could take a few minutes, it could take a few seconds, but nonetheless it's going to work. Sometimes it would fail, sometimes just like this one, so I would recommend that you try again. But after successfully importing, it would look like this over here. This is what it would look like over here below. And then over here in our product list, it would appear the same way as you can see. Same product name, same product photo, same status, and all the relevant information are going to be exactly the same. And as you can see, we just finished the one that we have just imported. So if we refresh this now, we will be able to see our product from Amazon just like that, as you can see. Really cool, really easy. And we were able to successfully get the product from Amazon. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.